Leona Yan, and I've been in the whole health program since it started. I've been with the VA now in the Villages. I just hit my 8-year anniversary. Whole health itself is something that I never in my life thought I'd be a part of, because when I went to nursing school, immediately I had it within me to help people. So injections, taking tests, making referrals. I never heard of a program that encompasses all areas of a person's life and develops goals and encourages people to set goals within themselves to have improvement. And we talk about every aspect that pertains to each person. So that is part of a program that I never thought I would have the opportunity to be a part of, and that's what intrigued me. So we help focus on their home life, on their personal development, on their health, on goals, on family relationships, on spirituality. It can make changes that they never even saw or thought they needed. I have witnessed and been part of this program that people have come in for something like high blood pressure, and in turn have built their relationship with their children, or traveled, or changed things in their home, because it encompasses every part of their life.